In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement Grammarly into Microsoft Word. Whether you're writing a school paper or engaging in essential business communication, having Grammarly by your side can make all the difference, easing the stress and helping you ensure that your content is polished and professional. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Microsoft Office Online. If you're familiar with using Office in this format, you'll find this part quite straightforward. Once you're on the website, if you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do so using your Microsoft account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the Word application amongst the suite of options available. Look for the iconic blue W logo that signifies Microsoft Word, and go ahead and click on it to open up Word within your browser. With Word open, it's time to create a new document. Right at the onset, you should see the option to create a new blank document. Click on this option to open up a fresh, pristine document, a perfect starting point for incorporating Grammarly. Now, we'll focus our attention on the top of your screen, where you'll find the Home menu. This menu is a central hub for most of your formatting needs. However, today, we're interested in another feature housed here. The location of the Home menu can sometimes vary slightly based on your version of Word, but it's typically near the top, with other menu options like File and Insert. Within this menu, look for an option labeled Add-ins. Go ahead and click on that. Add-ins are like little boosters to your Word application, enabling you to incorporate various tools that streamline your workflow. In the Add-in section, you'll find a search bar. Here, type in Grammarly. This action will fetch the Grammarly add-in specifically designed for Microsoft Word Online. It's an excellent tool for instantly enhancing your writing with real-time grammar checks and writing suggestions. Once you see the Grammarly add-in the search results, you'll want to click on Add next to it. This simple step will work its magic. By adding Grammarly, you've essentially integrated a powerful writing assistant into your Word setup. With this integration complete, you'll notice a new Grammarly tab appear along the top row of your menu options. You've now successfully added Grammarly to your Microsoft Word Online experience. From this point onwards, you can begin to elevate your writings, not just making them grammatically correct, but also clear, concise, and impactful. Be sure to explore the various settings within the Grammarly tool to tailor it to your unique writing style and requirements. Whether it's checking for complex grammatical nuances or seeking stylistic improvements, Grammarly is there to ensure your written communication shines.